Watermelon is usually a staple in every hot season, not just because of its hydrating effect but also for its juiciness. Well, it's not just a tasty treat. Watermelon packs a nutritional punch that can significantly contribute to your health. Firstly, watermelon is a hydration hero. Composed of around 92% water, this fruit offers an enjoyable way to replenish body fluids, especially during the hot summer months when dehydration can sneak up on you. Secondly, watermelon is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. It's brimming with vitamins A and C, which are essential for skin health and immunity. It also contains a decent amount of potassium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure and regulate nerve function. Thirdly, watermelon is a low-calorie delight. If you're watching your weight, watermelon can be your best friend. It's low in calories yet can satisfy a sweet tooth, making it a healthier alternative to high-calorie desserts. Fourthly, watermelon is an eye health promoter. It contains lycopene, a potent antioxidant known to help protect the eyes from age-related diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts. Finally, watermelon can improve heart health. The lycopene in watermelon can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Plus, the citrulline and arginine found in watermelon can improve blood flow, which is beneficial for your heart. In summary, watermelon is more than just a refreshing summer fruit. It's a hydration hero, a vitamin and mineral powerhouse, a low-calorie delight, an eye health promoter, and a heart health enhancer. With all its nutritional value, watermelon is a tasty treat that you can't afford to leave out of your diet.